Hey, what's up, guys? David right here, 360 booth director, constantly on the go. And so I have a pretty big client that booked last minute. And I did tell them, like, hey, booking last minute is very difficult, but I'm going to try to make it happen. So here's the third email I sent out to them. I'm at this point, I'm ready to kind of pull out. So it says, hi, blank. It's very difficult to orchestrate a 360 booth event last minute. I haven't received payment for the past due invoice or received the signed 360 booth agreement. I've sent a couple of emails and also tried calling your number yesterday. Trust me when I say I don't like pressuring folks to meet the deadline, so this is no fun for me. Because of the logistics, I won't be able to execute your event on such short notice. If you are not able to sign the 360 booth agreement, pay the invoice, and email the client's logo by 3 p.m. today, I will not be able to make it to your event this Friday. Keep in mind, Friday, guys, is only 24 hours from now. I did mention we're in a time crunch, so please let me know if you guys can't fulfill this part of the booking. If you guys decide to move forward, I will need a point of contact I can call directly to save time. And that, just going to send the email out. It's okay, guys, to just constantly communicate with your client so that you know you did what you could to make it happen. But set the expectation and try to avoid last-minute events.